In the next step, we're going to install the control panel into the frame. Okay, it will be like this. Now inside here you have the antenna for the chiller with a very fragile cord, so be careful. And you have the chiller connector. So what we're going to do is we're going to feed this down into the right here. Okay, you're going to just put it here for right now. You're going to place the control panel down, and over here, this is where you're going to connect it with 2 screws. It's like when it's not perfectly lined up, it makes all this noise. Like what the? Okay, so as part of step 8, we're going to take our M4 by 30. We're going to actually come down here and install this control panel. There's 2 screws here. There's one here and one here. Line it up by hand. It's kind of hard to see, but you will. Maybe shine with a flashlight. The screw will go in. Okay, perfect. There were 2 connections to the control panel. One of them is this cable. So on the chiller, you will see another cable that's exiting, and these 2 line up perfectly. You see a little notch here and a little divot here. So you need to marry those up perfectly, and you will see an arrow here and an arrow there. Then you'll take this cap, screw it on. This is how your chiller control panel communicates, okay? And then the antenna. So this antenna, I just fed this underneath here, and I put it on top of the chiller.